So I decided to work on the bench some first. And I'm up 8 courses. And I'm going to go a few more before put on our shelf. And I brought that in yesterday. I figured out that I needed about 5 feet to cover that span. And it turns out this one's about 5 feet. Nice white ice. So we'll talk about how we're laying that later. But first we got to get up high enough. And everything's going really good. I noticed on this one, I don't know if you'll be able to tell on the video, but there's a little bit of wobble on this one. So I turned it upside down, thinking maybe there's a spot of glue on here or anything adhered to the back, making it wobble, but there doesn't seem to be anything. So apparently it's just a little crooked. So I grabbed a piece of aluminum. I'm going to put that underneath this side, and I think that'll take care of most of the wobble, if not all of it. Yeah, it's not much, so I think that'll do it. And then I'm just kind of strategically, I have some more shorter ones down there, so I think I'm going to pull these longer ones off the top and go with a few courses of shorter ones. Because my bench is 32 inches. So if it's that far away from the wall right there, let's say it's about 3 inches from the wall, we don't want it on the wall. That brings us out to about where that aluminum is. So that means this is going to stick out, which is okay. That way I should put some beautiful ones here, which I did. I put a really cool, maybe a Bordeaux here, and a piece of white ice there, and a piece of, I can't remember, really cool black one with a lot of white swirls in it. These are all granites that we're looking at now. So I think I'll go up a few more courses with these, whatever that one is. It's nice, very nice granite. I don't know the name of it though, but it's a nice one. I noticed there's some more over there, so they must have did a bunch of sinks out of the same stone at one point. So I'll get up probably about 5 more, and then we'll be ready to put our shelf on. So that's my plan. I'm going to keep working on it a little bit longer. I have such nice ones. I hate to cover them all up. That's the problem. But you know, you can't. You're not going to see them in these the way I'm doing it here. A lot of them. I'm trying to leave a little edge showing so I can see it. And yeah, it'll have to use a shop vac or something to clean them from time to time. But you know, kind of getting this effect where you can see different ones up through. This will be taken apart and redoing though. Okay, let's keep laying it down, because if we can get this bench put back together, then I can put the top on, and I have a really cool stone to put on top of this. It'll take about a good third of it. Really nice one, a quartzite. Okay, let's keep going.